Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Hyundai i10 SE. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine with the automatic gearbox, which is ULS compliant, returning up to 45 miles per gallon. An insurance group of just 4, so the car's ideal for new drivers. And the car has a very low mileage of just over 10,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Stardust Grey and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the blue theme that runs throughout. So starting off through the centre of the seats, and the seats look in really great condition, nice hard wearing material, onto the door cards and then onto the dashboard. And this car in the centre has the CD player with FM radio and also the air conditioning below. And then on the driver's door card, you've got your controls for your mirrors and 4 electric windows. For such a small hatchback, the i10 has a surprisingly large amount of headroom and legroom in the back. Quite a tall car, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And I see that the car's still got the original Hyundai Carpet Floor Mats, so that's good to see. And as we open the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats and your parcel shelf that's still in place. And one thing that I like to see is that the previous owner has purchased a floor covering there to protect the floor, so obviously cared about the car. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 14-inch wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.